You have several options when searching for articles relevant to music therapy. Different options show you very different kinds of results, so what you choose will depend on your research needs at the time. Let's approach your article searching options with the sample topic of music therapy in elderly populations. If you are just starting out in your searching, you may want to see a lot of options from a lot of different journals because you aren't sure how you'll narrow your topic. This is where both Google Scholar and OneSearch, the library search box, are good options because both are comprehensive in different ways. We'll start in Google Scholar, which will search most scholarly journals published around the world. No matter where you search, always put music therapy inside quotes. This glues the phrase together and tells the search engine that you want this as a phrase, not separate, unrelated words. It's also good practice to put "and" in all caps in between your keywords, since not every database uses "and" behind the scenes like Google does. "And" tells the search engine that you definitely want articles with both of these words, not one or the other. On your results in Google Scholar, you'll be able to see whether we have full text access through Warburg or free online, because a link will be shown to full text over here on the right. If you see an article you like that doesn't link to full text, simply order the article for free using the Interlibrary Loan link on the library homepage. If you want to learn more about Interlibrary Loan, look for the link to the video on the bottom of this Music Therapy Research Guide page. If you are off campus, you'll have to set up your browser to show links to full text, which is explained in a different video linked on this research guide page. As you can see, Google Scholar returns thousands of results from a variety of discipline areas. Here is a nursing journal. Here is a music therapy journal. Here is a biology journal. Here is an aging journal, and so on. You'll be able to read many types of articles and decide how to narrow down your topic from there. OneSearch also searches inside thousands of scholarly journals from around the world. Plus, it will search books, newspapers, and everything in the library's collection. This is why it is also a good option if you aren't sure how you are narrowing your topic. You can build on what you learned about searching OneSearch in IS 101, such as limiting to only peer-reviewed journals if you aren't currently interested in books. You may start noticing other words people use to write about your topic, such as here we see senior citizens. If enough authors do this, you will need to add a synonym search string to your search. Use a synonym search string when you want to catch articles that are about your topic, but using a synonym rather than your particular keyword. Here we can try elderly, senior citizens, aging, older adults, geriatric, or other synonyms you notice popping up. Place the synonym search string inside parentheses and put "or" between the words. Unlike "and," "or" tells the search engine that any of these words are fine in your results, with or without the other words in here. Once you see your results, it should be clear if there is a link to the full text. If there isn't, but you still want to read the article, simply order the article for free through Interlibrary Loan, just as you did if you saw an article in Google Scholar that didn't have full text access. Again, a full video explaining Interlibrary Loan is at the bottom of this research guide page. To review, Google Scholar and OneSearch are both good options if you want to see results from many disciplines. With Google Scholar searching inside scholarly journals and some books, and OneSearch searching inside everything in the library's collection. This is good if you are just starting out in your research, or if your topic is interdisciplinary, which many topics in music therapy are.